Have you ever seen an iPhone destroyed in a car accident, not wearing your seatbelt? Here is an example for you. This was sent to us from one of our customers, and it was destroyed in a car accident. Look at that. It's pretty damaged. Everything is broken. We're gonna color change this one. Try to see if we can save his data. Let's get started. We are going to remove the bottom screws first. Now I will use my guitar pick to lift the screen. Look, it's coming off already. Look at that. Damn. Look at the screen. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to change the rear camera as well. Pew! Come here, baby girl. Transfer this Face ID to new screen. Unfortunately, this Face ID won't work because it's ripped right there and there. This one is ear speaker. You won't able to hear it too. We have to replace that. See that? There is a screen protector on top of the screen. Let's see how bad is the screen. Damn! Broken screen is out and the Face ID. The good thing, what I will do, I will give him a new Apple one. Everything is original. Have you ever seen inside like this before? Surgery time. Of course, Verizon phone always break like this. See, it's broken from here and there. There's a screw right under. How this got hair in here? I don't know. Look at those hairs. Whose DNA is that? Looks okay. We got more hair, more DNA right there. Let's get the battery first out the way. Looking good. You want me to fix the bend? If we glue it, should be good, right? Look, I fixed it. All it's just a glue. While you're watching this video, and if you want us to eat more treat, make sure you leave a comment and share with your friends and family. And let's get back to video. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that. Look at that. Can I get a wow? You got 1 missed call, 271 messages. What do you guys think? Look at this. Look at this. It's like brand new again. Did you guys like the color? Comment below. What color would you like to change it to?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be.
You guys wanna add him?
That's what it takes.
This is steak.